is a very, very malnourished sheep. Do you know what? There's absolutely nobody on it. This is amazing. There's a cat, for f***'s sake. Oh well, they'll let us past at the top probably. New biking gear. I've learned from that mistake before. That's a... I know. I've never gone down this side and I don't think I want to. Left up here. Absolutely fantastic. Is there something coming up? Or is it just, I don't know. I'm going to say that is a GS. Because it's always a GS. 209. Hey, M209! 309 bros! Can't imagine being on the same bike and it being a Yamaha. That's embarrassing. Oh. Guys, if you've never been up here before, it is an absolutely gorgeous sun trap. Why would you ever want to leave here? I believe it's snowing next minute. Down there. I don't know what's over that way, but come up Hardknott and you go back over, and I think that's Windrose. So, yeah, get some photographs, show at the end of the video. Taking the little home, the most important part in a place like this. Well, boys and girls, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I know it's just started, but I thought instead of doing the journey up here, up the A65 and the M6 and all that way, it's nothing too interesting. This is hard to get down. Start the video just straight away up here because it is a fantastic day, 18 degrees today. So yeah, if you've never come up here before, make the trip. Oh my god, bloody hell. Look at the terrain here. God, you come on the other side of here and it's a bright sun trap. Oh, my ankle. I think I'm just going to get up on that ridge up there and see if I can get a shot of the bikes from above. I've already got a good one from up there, but let's see what we can get from that vantage point. I could smell the WD-40 just baking off my exhaust. I said I can just smell the WD-40 burning off everything. Well, that was absolutely gorgeous. and around the other side is well, just as gorgeous. That is just this does remind me of that second day in Scotland when it was just absolutely scorching. Thing is, I've been up here 3 times on channel, and you know, I mean, every time I come up it's different. So me and Simon have just jumped off the intercom real quick, so I just want to have a little chat about stuff. Yeah, I just want to have a little chat about the bike and stuff, because well, lately she's been throwing a little bit of a tantrum, and I'll tell you a little bit about that. So Instagram wise, I don't want to plug it once more, but if you do want to follow me on there, I post a lot of behind the scenes stuff. But anyway, you'll have seen, oh cheers bud, nice one Matt. Yeah, you'll have seen that I did the front fork fix on the MT-07, and I realised that quite a lot of the people that own MT-07s know what that is, but for everyone else you don't really have a clue. Long story short, the stock suspension on the MT-07 is rather soft, good for road use, but you know, when you want to ride that a little bit more spiritedly, it's not the greatest. So anyway, in a nutshell, took the front forks out, put a heavier spacer in, a longer spacer, on a shorter spacer, and heavier weight forks, so it kind of just slows the forks down a bit, and it has that little bit more compression and rebound and stuff for in the corner, because the stock forks are unadjustable. Anyway, pulled the front fork out and stuff. The bike had obviously taken a rough winter, so when I put the brake pads in, I realised, you know, how much I'd neglected the calipers and the front bolts and stuff. So getting the ABS sensor out was a bit of a pain, so we had to take a mallet and a piece of wood to it. Again, long story short, I don't have any ABS at the minute because the ABS sensor's damaged on the front, so I've got to be very careful how. As well, the other day I was riding to work and the bike decided to cut out completely, started to die on me, and the solution to that was the starter switch had been sticking, constantly sending electrical impulses down to the relay and the solenoid and stuff, and that shorted that out, burnt the fuse out, so I ordered a new one of them. So then to unstick the starter switch, I pulled that off, and then the spring broke and all that sort of stuff, so it was just been one problem after another with the bike. So tip for you guys is to do thorough checks on your bikes, look around them, look at the bolts, take them apart, learn what's what, so you don't have to go to a garage and get it all done for you. And as well, I'd mentioned the rear sets. So I bought a fresh set of rear sets for the bike, being foot pegs, and it's completely transformed the bike. So at the minute, you know, I've got fresh foot pegs on, I played with the rear shock rebound, the front forks have been completely done, and I don't have ABS. So at the minute it's a completely different bike to ride, and I'm not going to lie, I absolutely love it. See what this summer brings, but like I say, the rule of 6 is gone out now, so here we are out with Simon today, just exploring the lovely Lake District, because I don't want to do constant videos of the Yorkshire Dales and the Peak District. You know, we're stepping the channel up now, when we're going to, you know, we're growing, the audience is getting bigger. You don't want to see the same locations, you want to see new, further, better roads, better footage, as I say, without a face cam today or a drone. But yeah, I'm trying to mix it up, you know, like I did then, you know, taking the GoPro out and getting it in the handheld stuff, and really try to get some different shots of the day out. So I hope you're enjoying it. And now we're heading up to a place called Wasdale Head, I think Simon said, I'm not too sure. So I've never been up there before, but it's 10 to 2 and we've got a lovely long day ahead of us now. Spring is here, and it's nice to see that the sun's going down at 7:30 and it's only getting later. So onwards and upwards, as we keep saying, and let's see what the lovely Lake District has to offer us. sound. I wonder if that's a wall that climbers go for that. You know what people are like, aren't you? Yeah. Adrenaline junkies is the name for a crackhead. No offence to any mountain climbers watching, we're just jealous because you have the balls to do it, that's all. Oh, once you go over a cattle bridge, you know you're on good roads. Oh. Apps. Oh, no words for that, honestly, mate. There's nobody behind me, is there? Jesus Christ. Wow. A lake or is it a reservoir or what is it? Is it just... Oh, so you're going to get... That's 80 metres deep? Bloody hell. Stay. Well, I can only thank you so much for bringing me here because I'd have never have found this. Oh my goodness me. That looks like the Kirkstone Pass mountain. I don't think we're anywhere near it, are we?
Like, this is good, but it's a different kind of good, isn't it?
It's just beautiful, isn't it? It's a lot like Wales. A lot like Wales. The haze is perfect for it. But then again, it'd be like Scotland on an awful day. It'd look as amazing as well. Ooh, my bag was open all the way through that.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah. Well then, Wasdale Head. I don't know why, I already want to come back even though I ain't left, do you know what I mean? Come back, camp, explore, who knows? Although everywhere we seem to walk today seems to be bloody rough on the ankle. Oh. So we're just up there then, and I've seen an absolutely wonderful spot. It's near the bikes, just next to the water, and I think I want to dip my feet in. Wasdale Head, lovely place. We'll be definitely coming back here. Although there's not really much more exploring to do. Which is nice, isn't it? Somewhere to chill. Thing is, right, setting off early in the morning, I mean like stupid early, is shit. But if you got up here and you had the time to just sit and do nothing, and you know, brought a pair of trunks and stuff, and a towel, that feeds all of the lake. Well, I've had a fantastic day so far. Took piss getting here at dual carriageways and stuff, as it always does, but once you're here, there you go. I know. looking at all of it. How deep did you say that was? 80 metres? How deep's a diving pool's about 10 metres deep, is it? Oh, that is dark abyss. I always picture with this, like, imagine if the water disappeared and you could see the land underneath. Well, yeah, you'd be on the top of a mountain because it'd go back down, and because that there will just go down, won't it? And it'll like sink out at the bottom. Just that in at the end. Well, it's a head, isn't it? Like you got Spurnehead Point and Flamborough Head. It's just dead end. I bet this floods quite a bit. This in winter months. I wonder if this has ever frozen over. That'd be shit if you lived at that inn back there and this flooded. You'd be stuck. Yeah, it's got about 10 rivets in instead of 4 now. Is that it? Oh yeah, 85.2.